Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here. Just going to show you today's install, which is on a Volvo XC60. Now we do have one video up on our YouTube channel already, but that was on the car which has the original menu. As you can see, if you know your Volvo XC60s, this is the older version, which is the 2009 Plus model. As you can see down there, it doesn't have any of the, as you would expect, buttons around here. There's no glow button down here, so it doesn't come with a CAN bus. It's just relatively linked straight into the power cable. Works in through the aux of the car, so obviously that's where you get the sound. Now just to pre-warn you, let me just zoom in. Just to pre-warn you, it has a radio app here, but as there's no splitter to link in with the original radio antenna itself, you still operate the radio through your normal methods, which is obviously through there. But you'd obviously have to switch back from your aux to radio to get it working. If you do switch back to aux, make sure you go back, switch from aux to anything else, make sure it goes back onto aux, because that's where you get all our sound through this particular system. So I'll just give you a little demonstration today. I don't know whether this is a little music, I don't know whether there's anything on there. No. Okay, so has Google Maps pre-installed. So excuse me, you can download many apps at your choice through the Play Store if you want, but obviously that's the one that comes with the system. You got video here, works with the steering wheel controls. So let me just lower that down a second. As you can see, it's nice, quick and responsive. See, there's no lag on the system whatsoever. Very quick. I'll just give you a few little showings on the system itself here. As you can see, that's mirror link, but obviously it's not really great. That there's your CarPlay app there, which obviously will connect shortly. Calculator Bluetooth. So this is obviously for music streaming on here. Pair your phone book up. We've got to fit a rear camera on this today. Also two, which is obviously have an input for it. Let's have a little look. Google Maps browsers there. This is the DVR camera, which is on a rainy day. Let's put the window. There you go, nice clear DVR image. This is optional, this DVR camera, by the way. It's sold through the website. It comes with DVR camera, comes with an SD card and its own built-in APK to install onto the system. As you can see, it's really nice and clear. What else we got here? Touch assist. Let's get rid of this little button down here. I don't like it personally. I'll just take it off. YouTube app there. So you need to connect to the internet to use it. So, any questions, give us a shout. We'll put the link down below and where to purchase from. And as I say, if you've got any questions,